Hello everyone, I'm Pankaj sir. Let us see an easy way to learn MS Access queries. But what is a query? A query is like a simple question that we ask to find a specific information from the database. A query is a database object that helps us to retrieve and view information from one or more database table. In this video, we will see a simple query on one table. So let's go on MS Access screen. Here I already created database name bank and one table name as blood bank. How to create database and table in MS Access, that I already taught you in my previous video. If you don't know, then see that video's link I give you in description area. Now first I will show you the table fields and its data. Here now we right click on the table and select open option. You can see there are so many different fields are available here. First field, donor's ID. Second field, donor's name. Then donor's blood group, donor's area and donor's contact number. And you can able to see there are different types of data, means records already I entered here. Please observe this table properly so you can able to understand the queries when we try to retrieve our data from this table. Now click on query create tab and see right side there is one button is called query design. Click on query design button. You can see show table dialog box here. In this dialog box there are three different tabs: table, queries and both. In table tab there is already one table, blood bank is available. Just select this table and click on add button. Now close this dialog box with the help of close button. Now this is a query window. You can see blood bank table is available here and you can able to see different fields also available here. Query window is divided in two parts, top and bottom. Top pane display the table and bottom pane display the design grid. Now on design grid pane, select the fields which you want to see after the query. So first field I am going to select here donor's ID. Then select a table. I already select one table here, it's a blood bank because we are doing query on one table only. Then sort option ask you want to display your query data in ascending or descending order as per donor's ID. So I want to display my data ascending order as per donor's ID. Now show checkbox is activated right now, means this field is displayed in query window. If I uncheck, then it will not be displayed. So I want, so I select this checkbox, then move on a next field. Once again select another field. Which field I required now? Name, donor's name we required now. Donor's name also reflect on blood bank. Okay, then next field is blood group. Which blood group we required? So once again we select blood bank table name and then on criteria field. Now on criteria field we give a criteria. So which blood group we required, here. So right here equal to, here I want to see those people's contact and name whose blood group is O positive. So right here double equal to sign, then in double inverted comma you have to write the blood group name. I want to see O plus, so right here O plus, then double inverted comma complete. This is called a criteria. We have to write in a criteria field. Now next is contact number. So select a donor's contact number in which table, blood group table. Okay, so this is over. Now I am going to run the query to see the output. So see the ribbon area below the home tab, the ribbon area, there is one option, run. So just click on run button. See, there are two peoples who have a O plus blood group, and their ID, their name, and their contact number. So in this way we can do a query on one table. See, it's very easy for you also. Please do and try once again. If you have a doubt, then please revise this video and see this video 2-3 times, so your doubt will be clear. So now this video is over. In next video I will teach you the queries on multiple tables, means 2-3 tables. How can we activate a query in 2 or 3 tables? Okay, then please press like button if you like this video, and click on subscribe button for my upcoming videos, and don't forget to press bell icon. Goodbye and have a nice day.